Good afternoon, this is Hugo with Cleaning Depot. So here's one of those units that everybody wants. Low hours, been taken care of. So it just turned over 1,000. We had 1,000 hours. When I got it, it was about 995, and we've been running it. Gave it a full tune-up on it. Changed the diaphragm for the chemical. Did minor repairs on hoses, oils. One of the things we repaired was the float. We put a brand new float on there, a sensor. So bring everything up to date, running good, great, excellent actually. Put new filters in the waste tank. Got 2 brand new filters on the waste tank. It has the 406 tri-flow blower. It's a pretty big blower there. This unit is good for residential and commercial for a single wand. 20 horsepower Kohler. This unit is super clean, well taken care of. We also took out the heater, serviced it. We have preheated the engine. That way you guys can see the heat. Another nice thing about this unit is that it has a freshwater tank, a belly tank. So it sits on the bottom of the machine without taking any additional room in your van. So it's compact, very powerful, very nice. Give us a call at 702-802-3923. Thank you and have a great day.